Cracking of joints. Yes, your knuckle cracking, your joint, your knee cracking, your hip cracking, your elbows cracking whenever you do any movement. Is it bad for you? So welcome again to the video, guys. I hope all of you doing pretty good. Today we're gonna see that does cracking of your knuckles, the cracking sound in your joints is bad for you? Does that have any effect to your joint health or bone health in long run? And what are the reasons behind this popping or cracking sound in your joints? So without any further ado, let's start with the first reason. The first reason is gas formation. So there is especially in your knuckles, in your fingers, so there are small bubbles of nitrogen which are there between your joints, and when you crack or pop your joint, those small bubbles are popping and that creates a popping or cracking sound in your knuckles. So this is the first reason. This is a very common reason and you don't need to be worried about this because this is very common phenomenon, and that does not affect your joint health or anything. It's very common, the nitrogen form, the bubble formation of nitrogen gas in between your joints. So it is very normal. It does not affect your joint health. Second is snapping back of your ligament. So what happens is your two bones, so in our body two bones are attached by a ligament. So whenever you're doing any movement, those ligaments are stretched and then snapped back at its actual place. So rapid stretch of ligament and then rapid back to normal position creates that popping or cracking sound whenever you're doing movement. So this is again very common, and actually it is good because that means that you're moving, your body is moving. For example, if you're sitting here, if you're doing nothing, will your joint make that sound? Will your ligament be strengthened because of that movement you're doing? Those ligaments, those bones, the attachment of bones are lengthening and snapping back together. So it is very common. Again, you don't need to be worried about that, and it does not affect your bone or joint health. Now third reason, and it is very common reason I see with everyone, is tightness of muscles. So what happens is, this is your muscle for example, and this is your tendon. So tendons are attached to bone, so muscle and tendon. So whenever your muscles are tight, your muscle length is reduced and that makes your tendon stretch. So because that tendon is stretching, that tendon is rub against your joint, and that is why there is a cracking sound in your joint. So for example, you're squatting, your knees are making that popping or cracking sound in your joint. So as you're performing the movement, because of your tightness in any muscle, for example quads or hamstrings, because of tightness of those muscles, your tendons is continuously rubbing against your joints, and that is making that continuous popping or cracking sound in your knee joint. So what you can do, you can stretch your muscle, you can increase or remove the tightness in your muscle. For example, your quads, your hamstrings, your gastrocnemius, your soleus muscle, for example your calves muscle. So there are lots of muscles surrounding that knee joint, and you can remove the tightness or release the tightness of those muscles so that your tendon does not rub against your bone or your joint, and that will stop that cracking sound in your joint. So if you want to do this at your place in your home, do a squat, and if your knee joint makes that popping or cracking sound, then go to a foam roller, grab a foam roller or do some stretching, release those tightness in your muscles, each and every muscle that surrounds the joint, and then you do the squat. And if it does not make any cracking sound, that means that cracking sound was because of your tightness in muscles. So yes, this is the three main reasons why this is happening in your body, in your joints. And to put this in a very small or very briefly, is if cracking of your joints or anything does not create or does not you don't feel any pain, there is no reason to be worried, because if there is a pain, that is the way, or there is a signal of your body to tell you that there is something wrong, because pain is a signal of something wrong in your body. So as long as you don't feel any pain while cracking of joints, or that sound you hear, if you don't feel any pain, you don't need to be worried about. If you feel the pain, you definitely need to see a physio, because there may be a chances that the cartilage between your bones, so there's a cushion between your two joints, that is cartilage. So if there is a wear and tear in your cartilage, your bones are in contact with each other and they are rubbing against each other. So for example, in your knee joint, if your cartilage has a wear and tear, your femur and your tibial bone will be in contact with each other and they will be rubbing against each other, and that will create cracking sound, and it will create a very tingy and it will be very painful to you, and that's where you need to see a physio. The physio will do some tests, it will give you some medication, whatever the process is, but you need to see a physio if you're feeling the pain. If you're not feeling the pain, it's alright, this is very normal and it happens unless and until you don't feel the pain, you're good to go. So yes, this is it from my side, guys. I got many questions regarding this cracking or popping sound in the joint when you are squatting or anything, and especially when athletes do lots and lots of movement inside the gym, outside the gym, and they get too occupied with these small things about popping of joints. And I always tell them that if it doesn't pain, don't worry about it, it's very normal. If it pains, go and see a physio. So this is the normal thing, guys. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and share with your friends, and I'll see you until next time. Goodbye.